Yeah, we're told to integrate the following functions with respect to x. Okay, let's see how it goes. The first one says integrate. This is a sign for integration, and then put the this will be equal to x4 3. So the first thing you have to do in this kind of question is for you to remove the radical. Okay, remove the radical, and that will be equal to 1 over 1 over x power 4, and then the number inside the root will be what? Will be denominator of the power. So that's the first thing you have to do. Okay, you can put the x. Okay, I've explained this in indices. Okay, then the next thing to do now is to remove this inverse, and that will be equal to what? X minus 4 over 3 integral dx. Then let's now apply the formula now. Don't forget the formula. What the formula says, it says that if you have this, okay, the x, okay, and that's why we have to express that fraction in this format, and we have done that, where our n is what? Minus 4 over 3. Okay, so straight away to the solution, this will just be equal to x2 minus 4 over 3 plus 1 all over minus 4 over 3 plus 1, then plus c. So let's do the algebra to that. Yeah, that will be equal to minus 4 over 3 plus 1. That's minus 1 over 3. That will be x minus 1 over 3. Yeah, this is minus 4 over 3 plus 1. So this one times 1, so minus 4 plus 3. That's a minus 1 over 3. Then we have it also at the bottom, minus 1 over 3. Okay, plus c. Okay, but don't forget that there is an invisible one here. So when you have 1 on the fraction, it's going to change it upside down, and that will give you minus 3x minus 1 over 3 plus c. That's that. And you can go for that to remove this minus, which will be equal to what? Minus 3 times 1 over x 1 over 3 plus c, which is equal to what? Minus 3 over x 1 over 3 1 over 3 plus c. Okay? And if you like, it could be minus 3 over cube root of x plus c. So that's just that on that question. Okay? Then the next thing to do now is to go to the next question. Go to the next question, which is number 2. Number 2 also, we have to do likewise. We have integrates, put your integral sign. Then you're given this. You're given 1 over x2, 5 is there. Can you remove the radical, which will be equal to 1 over x2 over 5? What is you have inside the root will be denominator of that power. Okay. Then this will be equal to, let's express this fraction in form of this formula, the standard rule, and that will be equal to x minus 2 over 5 integral dx. And this will be equal to, apply your formula, that will be equal to x minus 2 over 5 plus 1 all over minus 2 over 5 plus 1. Okay? Then that will give us minus 2 over 5 plus 1. That will be times 5. Okay? Times 5. That's a 5. 5 times 1, that's 5. So minus 2 plus 5 over 5. That's what? 3 over 5. So I'm having x 3 over 5. Okay? And then the one at the bottom, 3 over 5. But next time, I will not be doing all this. I'll just go straight because I know there is invisible one here. So I'll just do the inverse, and that will be equal to what? 3 over 5 x 3 x plus c. So that's that. The next question, I'll just go through the final stuff. So the third one, number 3, you have integral of 1 over this. Okay? Which will be equal to 1 over x half dx. Then turn this one to the standard form in the formula, which will be equal to x minus half dx. Okay, so with that now we're now having x minus half plus 1, okay, over minus half plus 1, which is equal to what? Half plus 1 will give you, we generate half, minus half plus 1 will give you half. Then you have half here, and there's 1 here, so that will just be turn it. We're having half here, and you have 1 here. There's an invisible 1 here, and the inverse of half will give you 2. So that's that on these 3 questions. We see more questions. Look at the first one. The thing is just applying formulas, applying the standard tables. For the first one, don't forget what we said. We said that integral of 1 over a squared minus s squared give us what? Arc sine what? Arc sine x over a. Okay, so in this case now it's going to be arc sine, okay, x over look at the standard rule. This is a multiple of the constants. This is a multiple of the function. So 16 also is a multiple, is 4 squared. So that will be what? You take one of the multiple here over one of the constant here, and that will be equal to what? X over 4 plus c. So that's finished. Just one line. Just one line. Then the second one, don't forget also this one will also be arc sine. This one is 1 squared. So it's going to be x over 1. And x over 1 has no effect. So I'll just write my x and then plus c. Okay? Then the third one, this will be equal to, it's also arc sine. Look at the standard rule. So that will be equal to arc sine x over 1 over 2 plus c. Okay? And that will give us, that will be equal to, let me take it here, number 3. 1 over square root 1 over 4 minus s squared dx, which is equal to what? Arc sine 1 over x, 1 over x over half. Okay, and this plus c. And this will give you, don't forget that is 1 here. So that's 1 there. So 1 over half here, that will be 2. So that will be equal to arc sine 2x plus c. Then the fourth one, integral of 1 over 9 minus s squared dx is very simple, and that will be equal to arc sine 1 of this, take that, well, 1 of this also, this 1 over 3 squared, so that's 1 over 3 plus c. Don't forget also that is 1 here, that's an invisible 1 there, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to arc sine 3x plus c. Okay, then the fifth one, integral of 1 over this, the 36 minus s squared dx. This will be equal to what? 36 is c squared, which will be equal to arc sine x over 6. Okay, plus c. Okay, so that's that on that. If you like, you can put bracket on all these functions. Yeah, so that's that on that. On this question. Let's take one more questions. The thing about integration is just that you need to follow the tables, the standard tables. Once you can use the tables, it's become easy. So next question. We've already established our rules on that we have 1 over 1 plus s squared. That will give you arctan x. Or if you're saying 1 over a squared plus s squared, and that will be equal to what? Arctan x over a, and then 1 over a plus c. So that's established we want to use in this case. Yeah, so this will be equal to arctan x over g, okay, plus c, okay, and your a here is 4, okay, and that's 1 over what? 1 over 2 for that. 1 over 2 for that. Then here it will be equal to arctan x, okay, x over 1, okay, and that's what? That's x. But the a here, the a square here, if I put 1 over a here, 1 over 1 is 1, so it has no effect. So that's just that on that. Here is going to be arctan one of these. It doesn't matter whether you have 1 over s squared plus a. So this statement and this statement, they are the same thing. A squared plus s squared, they are the same thing. It doesn't matter whether you have a first before the x or x before the a. So it doesn't matter. So that would be equal to arctan. Uh, um, just like addition, 3 plus 2 is same thing as what? 2 plus that, 2 plus 3. So here, you take one of these function, x over, and then one of these also, 1 over 3. Okay, and plus c, and that will give you arctan 3x plus c, because there is 1 here. And when you take inverse of 1 over 3, that will be 3. That 3x plus c. This one also, that will be equal to, and then something is missing here. Then 1 over a, that will be what? That will be 3 also here. That will be 3 for that one. 3. Okay, and it's not clear. Let me make it clearer. This will be 1 over 1 over 3. 1 over a over 3. Okay, and here it will be what? It will be 3. Okay, here it's going to be arctan x over, this is 1 over 25, and that's 1 over 5 squared. So that's 1 over 5. Okay, plus c. And don't forget also 1 over, your a is what? 1 over 5. 1 over 5 plus c. And that will be equal to, inverse of this will give you 5. 5 arctan. And this one also will be 5x plus c. Okay, so that's that on that. Okay.